To allow someone to make a copy of one of your Google Drive docs, whether it's a document or a sheet, we're going to go and right click on the document itself and click here to get our shareable link. Now we're going to copy this and open it in Notepad, and we can see that here is the link. I'll recopy it. And what we're going to do is we are just going to remove this end right here where it says edit $USB sharing, and we're just going to say copy. Okay. And what happens when we do this is when someone clicks the link or opens it in their browser, they're going to get a button to make a copy of this document. So although you're sharing your original, this allows them to make their very own copy. Want to learn more? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video.